Diamonds on my neck, yeah. Diamonds on my neck. Young money, only one hit, baby, rock this.
To be able to say, I present to you my new artist, Torian.
Rock my chain, diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my neck. You're the only one here, baby, rock this. What's up, shawty, what's up? See you looking at me and my chain like what? It's cool, girl, it's alright. You gon' be the one that I'ma make all mine. I gotta make you my girl. Put this chain around your neck, now you're my girl, eh? Look at them hating, girl, cause you shining. It doesn't matter, girl, you all mine.
Keep a smile on your face when you open up to me. We got a good mixture, chemistry. We keep it cool like an icebox. Hottest chick in the game, Xbox.
Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my neck. You're the only one here. Hey, baby, rock this. Rock my chain. Rock my chain.
There's not many people that would do that for their fans. Like, reply. I love that he told me that he would sing me a song. It's so sweet. I'm in love with this voice. It's so amazing. I love that they think we're both the same age and we have a lot going on in our lives. He's a musician and I'm a model, so I love how we can relate like that. Let's see. I don't love him for his money, for his fame, for his connections with Young Money, Drake in particular. I'm in love with Drake, but that's not why I love Torian. Not connected in any sort of way. I promise you. Drake in particular. I'm in love with Drake, but that's not why I love Torian. Not connected in any sort of way. I promise you. Let's see. I love Torian because he's Torian. Torian, if you're watching this, I love you with all my heart, and I sincerely do. Hope you can tell I'm not lying. I'm a bad liar. Yeah, so, oh, one more thing. I love that you are a fan of my cousin, Torian, my little cousin, that sings you the Oh Torian song. I'm sure you remember. Yeah, it's so cool. Love you. My little cousin that sings you the Oh Torian song. I'm sure you remember. Yeah, it's so cool. Love you. Love you. Tweet me at Skye, SKYE _is_blonde. BLOND.
No, I'm just saying. I just been thinking a lot of stuff. They just been saying a lot of stuff. They say we too young, but I don't know what to do. I just don't listen. Torian.
5'2" brown eyes, cute with a nice smile. God really looked out. Haven't seen this type in a while. Said it must be something I can do to pull her. I ain't never been a lame. I know what to do with her.
Young Moolah, babe.
Give me your, give me your hand, baby. Give me your pretty hand. Oh, darling.
I'm going to jail.
All right.
Alright.
Hard not to stare when you moving your body like you never had love. Como had love. When you was just young and your looks were so precious, and now you're grown up, so fly. It's like a blessing, but you can't never meant to get you for 5 seconds without you being insecure.
Cuando era chica tenía ilusiones que mi príncipe azul iba a llegar con flores. Pero esto no es cuento, ya me desperté, pero todavía sueño que alguien me